Set up VPN. Go to your phone settings. In phone settings, tap on connections. Under connections, tap on more connection settings. Here, tap on VPN. And here you will find all of your created or available VPN profiles. To add a new VPN profile, just tap on this more icon and tap on add VPN profile. And now we have to fill up all of these fields very carefully. So enter here your VPN profile name and select here your VPN type. Now write here your VPN server address and write here your IPsec identifier and go ahead and select these options and here write your VPN username and password and then tap on save and the VPN profile will be added to your device. That's it.